Why do you forget things so quickly? The real reason no one tells you and how to fix it for good. Have you ever walked into a room and completely forgotten why you were there? Have you ever struggled to recall a name, a date, or something important only to feel helpless and frustrated? If so, you're not alone. Memory problems affect millions of people, and the worst part is, most of us don't even know why it happens. In this video, I'm going to reveal the real reason behind memory decline, something that no one tells you. And more importantly, we'll explore some powerful solutions that can help you regain mental clarity, focus, and sharp memory. Stick with me, because this could change your life. The hidden causes of memory loss. We often blame forgetfulness on aging, stress, or simply not paying attention. But the truth is, memory loss is usually a symptom of something deeper happening inside your brain. Here are the real reasons why your memory might be getting worse. 1. Brain inflammation. Chronic inflammation in the brain can slow down communication between neurons, making it harder to retain information. 2. Nutrient deficiencies. Your brain needs specific nutrients like omega-3s, B vitamins, and antioxidants to function properly. Without them, memory recall suffers. 3. Toxin exposure. We are constantly exposed to environmental toxins, processed foods, and even chemicals in our water supply that can negatively impact brain health. 4. Poor sleep quality. Sleep is when your brain processes and stores memories. If you're not getting enough deep sleep, your memory will naturally decline. 5. Stress and anxiety. Chronic stress floods your brain with cortisol, a hormone that damages memory-related areas like the hippocampus. Can you relate to any of these? If so, don't worry, there's hope. How to supercharge your memory naturally. The good news is that memory decline isn't something you have to accept. With the right habits, you can actually strengthen your brain and improve recall. Here's how. 1. Fuel your brain with the right nutrients. Start by including brain-boosting foods like blueberries, walnuts, turmeric, and dark leafy greens in your diet. 2. Practice active recall and mind exercises. Try memory games, puzzles, or even learning a new skill to stimulate your brain. 3. Improve sleep hygiene. Make sure to get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Avoid blue light before bed and maintain a consistent sleep schedule. 4. Reduce stress and practice mindfulness. Meditation, deep breathing, and daily exercise can significantly lower stress levels and improve cognitive function. 5. Detox your brain from harmful toxins. Cut back on processed foods, reduce exposure to pollutants, and drink purified water. These strategies work wonders, but there's one more thing that can take your brain health to the next level. The secret weapon for memory enhancement. There's an ancient practice that has been used for centuries to support memory and cognitive function. In recent years, scientists have rediscovered a combination of natural ingredients that help protect and rejuvenate the brain. These ingredients have been shown to reduce brain inflammation, enhance neural communication, boost oxygen flow to the brain, improve recall speed and focus. Many people have started incorporating these powerful botanicals into their daily routine and have seen incredible results. One particular formula has caught the attention of researchers and individuals who have struggled with memory problems for years. It's a blend that brings together the most effective, research-backed nutrients for brain health in one easy-to-use solution. Now, I'm not saying this is a magic pill. But for those who have tried everything and still struggle with forgetfulness, this could be the missing piece of the puzzle. If you're curious, I'll leave a link in the description so you can explore it for yourself. At the end of the day, memory decline is not something you have to live with. By making simple changes to your daily habits, nourishing your brain with the right nutrients, and reducing inflammation, you can regain focus, mental clarity, and confidence. You deserve to live with a sharp mind and a clear memory. Start implementing these strategies today, and if you want an extra boost, check out the link below for more information. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health boosting tips. See you in the next one.